The Solarcon A-99CK Omni-Directional Antenna delivers notably strong signal performance for base stations thanks to its high-gain fiberglass design and efficient radiation pattern. Its tall, multi-section fiberglass construction is light yet sturdy, making it practical to transport, assemble, and mount without feeling flimsy on the mast. The included ground plane kit and heavy-duty mounting hardware give the antenna excellent stability and help maintain consistent performance in challenging wind conditions. With its ability to handle very high transmit power and substantial voltage insulation, this antenna is well suited for serious operators who run robust radio setups. Wide bandwidth coverage and straightforward standing wave ratio tuning make it easy to dial in a low standing wave ratio across and beyond the usual citizen band range. Overall, this model offers a reliable long-term solution for export, commercial, and 10-meter amateur use, where dependable range and durability are priorities.